नमस्कार, फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आनंद श्रीनिवासन। आज मार्केट बहुत ऊपर गया है और मार्केट ऊपर जाने का एक ही कारण है। कल यूएस में फेडरल रिजर्व का मीटिंग हुआ था, उसमें उन्होंने ये बोला है कि हो सकता है कि अगले साल 0.75% तक इंटरेस्ट नीचे आएगी, यानी कि 3 रेट कट्स होंगे। उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला है कि कर देंगे, वो बोले हो सकता है इफ पॉसिबल। तो मार्केट को बहुत खुश हुआ, डाउ जोन्स ऊपर चला गया 500 के पॉइंट्स के ऊपर, सब मार्केट्स ऊपर हैं, डॉलर गिर गया और आज इधर भारत में सोना का दाम ऊपर चला गया, लगभग 5,900 रुपया तक चला गया और ऊपर जाने की आशंका है। मार्केट्स भी बहुत खुश है, 230 पॉइंट ऊपर थी जब हमने इस वीडियो को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए शुरू की। तो मैंने सोचा मेरे भाई के साथ में कुछ व्यूअर्स क्वेश्चंस लूंगा, जिसने मैं लास्ट टाइम दिया था और वो बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ। तो मार्केट बहुत है और इसमें बहुत आज मार्केट रिलेटेड न्यूज नहीं है, तो मैंने सोचा कि आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन करवा दूं। तो मेरे भाई के साथ में कर रहा हूँ। Tell me.
I'm 36 years old. Okay. I'm currently employed. I'm planning of going to do an MBA in UK. It's going to cost me 30 lakhs. Already I've been investing. Should I forego doing the MBA and take that 30 lakhs which I was going to study with and invest it and go towards financial independence, or should I go do that MBA?
My suggestion is forget the MBA. Invest it, put it in bonds. You will get a lot of interest. And keep buying stocks with that. You are never going to catch up. And then MBA, unless it's London School of Business, is not worth it. And use all the resources that you need to do in that MBA is available free of cost in the net. So go to, and there are more books in the internet free of cost than the Library of Alexandria.
True.
So that is your question. Even all the lectures of all these professors who teach MBA are available free in Khan Academy and Coursera.
Correct.
You get the cake and eat it too.
Nice. Another question someone's asked is, should I buy Amaraj or Exide? Which is a better option?
You can take your pick.
Both are.
Yeah, but Amar Raja is more value for money.
Amaraja gives more value for money. Okay. Another person's asked, under ATC, which is a best investment for salary of 60 to 70,000?
Under ATC, first you need to take a term insurance. So your term insurance plus PF itself will take you. PF is compulsory in India. So PF plus term insurance itself will take you most of your ATC. Yeah, if you have a term insurance.
Okay.
And if you still have leftover, you do ELSS. So you do PF, term insurance and ELSS.
Okay. This viewer has asked, looking at the way America is right now, is there any chance of a Great Depression? Another person also asked, will there be any great deflation happening? What do you think the chances of?
Okay.
Like in the past, no one predicted it would happen. It happened.
A lot of people did predict. Anyway, you should read the history of it properly. No way there will be a Great Depression, because the moment there is going to be we think of a recession today, the central bank is going to flood the market with currency, and it is going to be, they will push inflation up. And once that money leaks out of the banking system into hands of the people, they are going to spend like no tomorrow. Even COVID did not create a big opportunity. Opportunity in the sense that maybe there was a couple of quarters when you were actually locked down, there was a degrowth, but it bounced back.
What's your take on Bajaj Consumer?
It's a Bajaj company.
Because a lot of people are comparing it to ITC.
No way.
I know, I told them that, but
no way.
What is your take on Bajaj Consumer?
See, ITC has a big moat, since you're comparing with ITC. ITC has a moat in cigarettes, which is going to be there for next 20-25 years. And they're going to get free cash flow from that and build one after one after one. They are going to build brands. ITC had 0 brands about 10-15 years back or 20 years back. Today they have 25 mother brands with 300 products. No way Bajaj Consumer is going to get there.
How do you learn this evaluation? Everyone wants to know, Anand.
What?
When you're doing the stock evaluation, looking at a company, how can you learn? How to evaluate, how you evaluate?
First thing you think I'm good because I stick to my circle of competence. There are some things I know and there are some things I do not know. I never get into things which I do not know. So you put a filter. So you learn to say no. So most of the things that come in, you take it and put it in a no tray. Like small cap, B2B, company with debt, right? Mid cap. So you're left with me with the big companies. And in the big companies without debt, at very cheap rates, very few are available. And then there are some special situations that come. And it's a business, I understand. IT is not technology. IT is renting out manpower. Pharma is not real pharma. Pharma is basically copying drugs which go out of patent. That's it.
Okay. Abhilash is asking. He's be turning 25 in 10 days. I came across this term insure comparisons, but I want to know is that banks do not offer pure term plans. They're saying only zero cost plans or return on premium plans are only available. 1 second. I still see people in Mint posting articles saying you can buy pure term. I've been in discussion with the HDFC and Paisa Bazaar salespeople. They're saying pure term is not there. Either you can opt for zero cost or return on premium. What are your thoughts on this?
First of all, you should not go to Policy Bazaar because Policy Bazaar needs to make a big commission. So pure term is nothing but you don't get any return on money. You pay the premium and say up to 80 years. You can pay up to 25 years or you can pay 5 pay, 7 pay. That is 5 years you pay the full premium. 7 years you pay the full premium, opt for paying 25 years. If you do not survive up to age 80, your family will get the insured premium. You survive to 81, you don't get anything. Immediately don't jump and say you have lost money. The premium amount is very small. The balance amount which you wanted to put for return of premium, that if you keep on sipping every month in the Nifty for the same number of years, say 25 years, you will make much more than what you paid.
True. So how do you save tax in the stock market? How to avoid taxes in 1 year investment deals?
First, the country has to run. Right?
Yes.
So we have to all pay taxes. We are the fortunate few. If you don't pay taxes, who will pay taxes? Okay. Having said that, I don't pay taxes because I never sell.
Correct.
Only when you sell and book profit, you have to pay tax.
Correct.
As long as you don't book profit.
Correct. This is even true of people like Elon Musk. They pledge their shares and raise funds. They never sell.
They never sell.
Yeah.
Warren never sells.
Correct. So if DII's cash market values net sell means what they do with those funds for the day? Will it be in idle or they hedge it with any short-term instrument?
Nobody bothers for 1 day or 2 days. It will go to the money market fund. And they wait for the next opportunity. They'll get about 3.5-4% to the money market. And they wait for the next opportunity.
Sir, I'm completing my CA interim. Now I'm doing ACCA. Eyeing a career in portfolio management, sir. Should I continue or should I change over to CFA after completing my ACCA?
You have to finish your CA final. I don't know, ACCA is Indian or the British one. You have to do the Indian Chartered Accountancy for the, and then you can try a CFA. But there's no point doing CFA. You have to go and, because most of the Chartered Accountants, except Anish, they have no clue of economics. So they know good accounts but poor economics. So you have to read economics 101, OZ 101.
So how will this does he pivot into a career of portfolio management then? What should
Once
he
you
do?
finish CA, you will get hired as an analyst. But that's not going to make you a great portfolio manager.
So what should he do then?
You should start by reading economics.
Reading more books.
Economic books, not books. Economics, fundamentals of economics. What is the classical theory? What is the Keynesian theory? What does the Austrians talk about? And understand what it is. Understand the critical difference between what was the gold-based standard currency and what is the currency today. So basically, you should know what is the price of time. There's a very good book at Chancellor, Price of Time. We can start by reading that.
I think this covers about a good section of questions from LinkedIn and Instagram, and I think we'll wrap it up.
Okay. आपने इस पॉडकास्ट को सुना, इसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। अगर आपको इस वीडियो पसंद आया तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, बेल बटन दबाएं, क्योंकि अगर आपको हर बार जब हम वीडियो डालते हैं नोटिफिकेशन चाहिए तो बेल दबाना पड़ेगा। हो सके तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्त और रिश्तेदार के पास भेजें और उनको देखने की आग्रह करें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद। नमस्कार, फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है। जनवरी के महीने में मैं त्रिवेंद्रम आ रहा हूँ। त्रिवेंद्रम में आपसे मिलूंगा। जो भी मुझे त्रिवेंद्रम में मिलना चाहता है, नीचे दिए हुए जीमेल में trivandrummp@gmail.com में मेल भेजें और या नीचे दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर में हमें संपर्क करें। धन्यवाद।